something which is so easy and fundamental for the government is to tell us the level of pollution. Ideally, they should be curing it. But imagine very limited thing that the government could have done is share that data, even there was manipulation and dishonesty there.
You know, the pollution challenge that Delhi NCR has seen, in fact, the whole country has seen, I have seen a shift in that year on year. The challenge that we had 10 years ago versus the challenge we have now, not just in Delhi but other places, has also shifted. What, according to you, has happened at the moment? Where are we on our pollution journey? What is the top priority that needs to be fixed?
So that's a major shift, that pollution is no more just an academic conversation, one. Two, also what we've seen this year more so, in terms of people and their outrage and their unrest with regard to pollution, in terms of people actually coming on ground, talking about it, also agitating, primarily because something which is so easy and fundamental and should be the most low-hanging for the government is to tell us the level of pollution. Fine, it's their responsibility. They are the custodian of our air, our water, and public health in that sense, and ideally they should be curing it. But imagine the issue that came up is that data, the very limited thing that the government could have done is share that data, even there was manipulation and dishonesty there. So I would say that, that the needle shift is that, and that is what there is ground up anger, there's more frustration, and the lungs are crying out louder than last several years. Of course, the pollution levels. Now, the fact, one more interesting thing that has happened this year is that we've kept the entire pollution conversation very Delhi-NCR centric, and which is disservice to the larger air pollution crisis in that sense. We've seen stories of pollution and of impact from other parts of the country, and people like yourself have also, in that one breath, when we were so obsessed only with Delhi-NCR, people like you have said that, that one of the reasons why we have not been able to mandate air pollution as one of our national priorities is because we have kept it only Delhi-centric. So the fact that it's pan-India, the fact that 70 to 80% of India's air is bad, and that's public knowledge and public feeling and public disease in that sense, is a way forward that I would see.